Home improvement dreams come true when a skilled and committed contractor does what they do best. At Sims, we know even with the biggest projects, it's often little things that transform a good outcome to a great outcome. The relationships we develop with our customers are built on trust and transparency. In short, they are the foundation of excellent quality control. Continuity is a key ingredient to delivering the highest quality final product to our customers. For example, members of our sales team are promoted from within and have extensive field experience, which gives them insight about your job and a leg up on a traditional salesperson. There are no handoffs between departments, meaning no silly communication mistakes. Increased project continuity occurs with continuous troubleshooting by our experienced project managers and craftsmen. Because our staff is experienced and knowledgeable, they often correct issues as they arise, avoiding larger problems later in the project. From the time we pull your permits through to the final inspection, the quality control process is continuous with your project manager overseeing the entire process. This saves our customers time, creates tighter project management, and protects you against lawsuits because we pull all your permits. As you consider contractors, be sure to understand how your project will be managed, because that determines the quality of the outcome. Call for your apples-to-apples contractor comparison guide for a consistent review system before choosing your contractor. You'll get a list of the most significant things a contractor can do to make sure your project is perfect. Give us a call and be sure you are comparing apples to apples. Better home, better price. Better call Sims.